Hello everyone, welcome back to my mommy's channel, and today we will be making Nigerian buns and I'll be doing her voiceover for today. Okay, so now I'm adding the flour and then we're gonna add the sugar, and then next is the cinnamon, and then after the cinnamon is the baking soda. And then next is the vanilla extract. And then next we're adding the butter. And now we're gonna mix everything up. And you may have to use your hand or a mixer because it's dry ingredients and butter too. So you may have to use your hand or a mixer. Okay, now we're gonna beat up the eggs. And then you're just gonna bring your dry ingredients with your butter back, and you're gonna add the eggs and then mix it. So, yeah, like I said, you may have to use your hands or a mixer. Okay, now we're gonna add the milk. My mom is helping me she's using her hands the Nigerian style, so now we're just like making it smooth and stuff, like we're just mixing it a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna heat the oil and start frying. Okay, add a little bit oil to whatever you're using to scoop so it can come off smoothly, and yeah. Make sure you don't add a lot in the oil so it doesn't stick. And make sure you turn the heat down so it can cook slowly and it doesn't burn. And let it cook to how you want it. And you're done. This is a really good snack, and you can also eat it for breakfast or whenever you want. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe for more content, and make sure you comment video ideas. Bye.
Taste it. Alright, go ahead. Taste it.
Wow, you want to cook it?